100 is 100. It is hot outside. It is humid out there. We've got a mix of sunshine and cloud cover. Actual air temperature sitting in the upper 80s, lower 90s. Currently 93 degrees out in Tomball, 92 in Conroe, but factor in that humidity. It feels about 5 to 10 degrees warmer. Tomball feeling like 102. Feels like 106 for our friends out in Washington County. So tonight, if you are looking for outdoor activities, anything with water, splash pad, swimming pool, car wash, not a bad idea. We're not tracking any rainfall as we head through the rest of the week and weekend. Temperatures, though, certainly on the toasty side by 7 o'clock, 88 degrees. One thing to remember, if you are washing the car, make sure you dump out that bucket when you're done, because any standing water, that'll be a breeding ground for mosquitoes. And as we head through the weekend, hot, dry. Lisa, Joel, as we go every single day, really just going to be a rinse and repeat.
Okay, Caroline, we appreciate it. Thank you. And if you are...
And a very large plume that's going to be passing through the Caribbean as we head into the day on Friday and then entering the Gulf into Saturday. This is going to be pushing into Houston Monday and Tuesday. That means skies will likely get a little bit milky, and unfortunately, air quality also likely will be reduced. If you suffer from respiratory problems, we're likely going to recommend you stay indoors as much as possible Monday and Tuesday. This high pressure system is going to dominate our forecast for most of the upcoming week, but by the middle of next week, about a week from now, that's when we'll start to see the high pressure back off, and this is going to allow the possibility of rain chances to work its way back in as we have over the next 5 days. You can see that's the heat dome. This is where we're not forecasting any rainfall, and temperatures are going to get pretty hot. Now, thankfully, we're okay without rainfall. We had so much rain since the beginning of May that we actually are no longer under a drought here in Houston. In fact, tomorrow we're going to get an updated drought monitor and, hey, some other good air. And the reason why is because of Saharan dust. Now, I'm going to dive more into this in a bit, but let me show you our forecast, because this deeper brown color indicating a thick plume of dust that's going to be making its way into the Caribbean as we get into Friday. This will enter the Gulf on Saturday and then reach Houston as we go Monday and Tuesday. Now, because this is a thicker plume of dust, you're likely going to start to notice some milky skies and reduced air quality. Rain chances not going to be with us from now all the way through Tuesday. It's not until the beginning of July or the middle of next week that we'll start to see a 20% chance of showers returning into our forecast. So as we go over the upcoming week, every single morning, starting off muggy, buggy, upper 70s, lower 80s. Every afternoon, making it into the mid 90s with partly cloudy skies. You'll notice 2 World Cup games. And then as we enter both Monday and Tuesday, going to be exceptionally hazy because of the dust.